everyone, it's Vicky here from Crafty Heaven, and thank you very much for joining me today. And today I'm going to be showing you how to make this cute dinky evening clutch bag. So this is the die set that we're going to be using today, as well as this one as well. So I hope that you enjoy this tutorial, and let's get started. For the main part of the bag, you're going to need to die cut 2 of these. So we'll have the front of our bag and then we've got the back. Okay, and then for the front I've cut out this trellis die and I think it is absolutely gorgeous. Then for the sides of our bag you'll need to die cut 2 of these. Okay, and then we've got our 2 side panels. Then for the flap of our bag, you'll need to die cut 1 of these. So that's what that looks like. And then as you can see, we've got the trellis mats on there, and you'll need to die cut these 3 here. So you're going to have 1 of each. Okay, and then obviously I've stuck them to the flap. For the handle, I have die cut out the main handle, and then I've added this chain on top just to give it a bit of a different look, and I've used this die and I've stuck them together, and I've dyed this decoration that's going to go on the front of the bag, and I've die cut that out in rose gold. And then we have the feather die, and I can't decide if to have the rose gold or the white. I'm not sure. I'm going to see when I've made the bag. So I've just cut 1 of each. Then for my butterfly, I have used the Dinky Bows and Blooms die set. Okay, and here we have the gorgeous butterfly bow. How cute is that? So for the main part of the die, you need to die cut this one, and I've cut that out in rose gold, and then I've matched the butterfly with the same color for the bag, and I've die cut that out with this die here. And then for the center of the butterfly, I've just die cut this flower here, and then we have our gorgeous butterfly bow. So now you know what we have cut. We're going to assemble this together. So we're going to start off by adding the sides first. So I'm going to add them to the front of the bag. So what you need to do is, with the side panels, I would just reinforce those score lines with your bone folder, so then it will stop your card from cracking. So you'd have this middle score line here, and you'd fold that over like that. Then these score lines at the bottom here, you're going to fold them back on themselves as well. Okay, and then these 3 here are going to fold over like so. Okay, so then it will look like that. You'll do the same with this one. Add your adhesive to begin with these small tabs here, and I'm going to peel off the backing, and we're going to just line up this edge with that fold there and stick that on there like so, and make sure that it's the bottom here is lined up with the bottom there. Okay, so then it will look like that. You're going to do the same with this side. So that's the front section added. Now we're going to add the back section. So you're going to add them to these. So you're going to add it to these other tabs on the other side, and we're going to glue them on there. Okay, so there we go. Then what you're going to do is we're going to fold in the sides, bring this flap that's on the back of the bag towards the front, and then the flap that's at the front of the bag needs to go down last. So I've added my adhesive on this flap here, so I'm going to peel off the backing and stick that down. Okay, so there we go. Then we're going to add this, and you could either stick it to the back like that, but I'm going to actually stick it inside just to give it a nicer finish towards the back of the bag. Okay, and then that will fold over like that. Then we're going to add the handle, so you just want to bend it with your fingers, and then you have these score lines on the end here. You just want to fold them back over like that. Peel off, add your adhesive and peel off the backing. I would recommend using liquid glue, but as this is my sample, I'm just using double-sided tape, and then you pop that through and you stick it on the inside like that. Again, peel off this one, pop it into that slot there like that, and then just line it up with that score line and then press it down. Okay, and there we go, we have our handle. So now we just need to finish this off. I'm going to add a magnet or some Velcro to keep that closed, but I'm not going to do that on camera. So I'm going to add my decorative pieces now. So I want to add that on there like so, and then add my butterfly bow there, and I'm thinking if to add the feather in white, just so it's I don't know, I'm going to stick this down and then see. So I'm going to stick both of them down and I'll be back. Okay, so there we go. I decided not to add the feather in the end because I thought it just looked nice as it was. So there we go. I hope that you enjoyed the tutorial of me putting my design team project together using the Dinky Evening Clutch die set and the Dinky Bows and Blooms die set. If you enjoyed this video, then please give me a big thumbs up. Please continue to support my channel by hitting that subscribe button, and all products used in today's video will be listed in the description bar below. So take care guys, and I'll see you all very soon. Bye for now.